Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the 12th project in the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit, Angry Girl, on how to make an Angry Girl simulator using the Microbit. In this project, we will use Microbit's touch sensor, buzzer, and vibration motor to simulate an angry girl. Let's first see the effect. When the touch sensor is touched, she will express her anger by making sound and vibration. First, we need to prepare the following components, all of which we have used in our previous projects, so we won't go into details here. Next, we will start writing the program. Open the MakeCode programming interface and follow the steps below. First, create a variable to store the value detected by the touch sensor. Then add an if logic block to determine the value of the touch. When the value of the touch is equal to 1, it means that the touch sensor is touched, which makes a sound and vibrates up. And display the icon of X. If the value is not equal to 1, then it does not vibrate or make sound and clear the screen. Okay, the program is done. Download the program to Microbit and press the touch sensor and see what happens. In addition, we have a challenge task. Calm her down. In this task, when you press the touch sensor, the Microbit will play soft music and the LEDs will turn into breathing lights to help her calm down. You can build the circuit based on the circuit diagram provided. I hope you learn how to use the touch sensor and control the buzzer and vibration motor through this project. We will continue to explore more Microbit fun projects next time. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share it. We'll see you in the next installment.